Hi friends, today we will discuss about storage and connection modes in Power BI. Power BI Desktop supports several types of storage and connection modes. First one is import mode. So what is the peculiarity of import mode? In import mode, tables are stored in memory within Power BI and queries are fulfilled by cached data. So the import mode consists of dataset and is less than 1 GB, that means after compression, and it has fast performance. Source data does not change frequently here in import mode. And there are no restrictions on Power Query, data modeling and DX functions. Then second one is direct query. So direct query means here tables are connected directly to the source and queries are executed on demand at the data source. Here, dataset is too large to be stored in memory. Source data changes frequently and reports must reflect changes. So company policy states that data can only be accessed from the original source. Next one is composite mode. So this mode is also known as dual mode because tables come from a mix of import and direct query modes or integrate multiple direct query tables. So boost performance by setting appropriate storage for each table, and this mode combine a direct query model with additional import data, and this mode can create a single model from two or more direct query models. Next one is live connection. So what is the peculiarity of live connection? Live connection connect to pre-published Power BI datasets in Power BI service or Azure Analysis services. So another peculiarity of live connection is that it creates one dataset that serves as a central source of truth and can analyze teams and can create different reports from the same source. In multi-developer teams where one user builds the model and another works on visualization. That is the peculiarity of live connection. Okay, so these are the four type of modes in Power BI. Import, direct query, composite model and live connection. Next, we will discuss about connecting to a database. So, Power Query can connect to data from various database sources. For example, including SQL Server, MS Access, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SAP and more. So Power Query can connect to data from various database sources that include SQL Server, MS Access, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SAP and many more. So this is the a figure showing the how can we connect to a database. So in after opening the Power BI, from the home page you will get a get data. In get data, if you look there MySQL database, there you can see the server name and the database. From selecting the MySQL database consists of server and database, can get data and enter credentials there. Then you will have an SQL statement box will be there. There you can include relationship columns. Then relationship columns are used to write custom or advanced queries with SQL statements. These are optional. Then we have in another section we can if you want tables, you can select tables and you can transform there. There you have to select system sys.x$weights underscore global underscore by latency. You have to select that tables and you can transform it. You can transform that data. So this is the way you can connect to a database in Power BI, and from various sources you can connect to a database. Next one is how can we extract data from the web? Extracting data from the web. So Power Query includes a native web connector for importing web hosted files like CSV, XLX, etc. or scrapping URLs for anything that Power Query can identify as a structured table. So this figure shows how can we extract data from the web. So here we have a list of asset management firms. Then we have a navigator. The navigator consists of large companies. You can select there. Then from the table view, we will get large companies. So you can select a particular data from the web. You can extract data from the web. So this Power Query already consists of native web connector in order for importing web hosted files. Web hosted files means CSV, XLS, etc. type of files. Or you can scrap URLs from anything that Power Query can identify as a structured table. Next one is data profiling, column quality. So profiling tools like column quality, column distribution, column profile, this will allow you to explore the quality, composition and distribution of a data before loading it into the Power BI front end. Already in previous videos we discussed about Power BI front end and Power BI backend. So column quality will shows the percentage of values within a column that are valid, contain errors and or are empty. Then in this figure you can see a prefix. There you can see different type of column options there: valid, error, empty. So this will mainly shows the percentage of values with a column that are valid, contain errors and are empty. So in that if you check, you can see that valid 99%, error is 0%, empty 1%. Then prefix, another one is hover over the column quality box to see number of records in each category. There are column quality box. You can see, if you check that, you can see number of records in each category. You have to click the option menu to remove duplicates, errors or empty values. So another thing that you have to be careful is that profiling tools are a great way to quickly find and address common data quality issue in one place. So instead of having to manually apply multiple tools or filters. Okay, that's a tip you can use. So profiling tools are a very great way to quickly find and address common data quality issue in one place. But instead of having to manually apply multiple tool or filters, you can use this method. Next is about data profiling, column distribution. In column distribution, here we provide a sample distribution of the data in a column. You can see that product cost there. Then we have a in that suggested action based on column distribution results are given here. Then however, over the column quality box, we are using to see the number of distinct and unique records. When you click the option menu, in order to remove the duplicate errors or empty values, you can click that option menu there. Remove duplicates. You can see that option here. So in order just click the option menu in order to remove duplicates, errors or empty values. This is the another image showing the data profiling column distribution. This column profile. So column profile can provide more holistic view of the data in a column and can include a sample distribution profiling statistics. So column studies will provide us a more detailed profiling metric that include their count, distinct count, unique, min and max, minimum and max. So in count you can see there 293. That means it means that you have total number of values in a column. Then in distinct count you can see that 119, that is total number of distinct values whether they appear once or multiple times. And unique means 80, that is total number of values that appear exactly once or one time. Then min and max means the lowest and highest observed values. So you can note that typically only useful for numerical values. Okay, next we'll discuss about text tools. Another important feature of the Power BI is text tools. So in this here you can see that we have a text tool, that is first one is about split column. So split text column means based on a specific delimiter, number of characters or other attributes. By delimiter, by number of character, by position, by lowercase to uppercase, by uppercase to lowercase, by digit to non-digit, by non-digit to digit. These are some text tools. And then we have text column. There you can get lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, trim, clean, add prefix, add suffix. So if you want to format a text column to upper, lower or proper case or add a prefix or suffix, you can use the text column. Then extract characters from a text. You can use extract option there. There you have length, first character, last character, range, text before delimiter, text after delimiter, text between delimiters. So extract characters from a text based on fixed length or first last characters, ranges or delimiters. You can select extract option. Then Another one tip you can say that you can use trim to eliminate leading and trailing spaces, or clean to remove non-printable characters. Another important thing is that you can access many tools from both the transform and add column menus, and the difference is whether you want to add a new column or override an existing one. This is all about. Next tool is about numerical tools. So in numerical tools we have different type of functions available. First one is statistics functions. So what is the peculiarity of statistic function is that this will allow you to evaluate basic stats for a selected column. There is sum, min or max, average, count, distinct, etc. These all things are available by using these statistics functions. So we can say that these tools is written a single value and are very commonly used to explore a table rather than prepare it for loading. Then next one is standard scientific and trigonometry tools. You can see here. So these are trigonometry, rounding information. These tools allow you to apply standard operations like addition, multiplication, division, etc. Or more advanced calculations you can apply by using these tools like power, logarithm, sine, tangent, etc. to each value in a column. So unlike the statistics tools, these are applied to each row in the table. Next one is information tool. There you can use, these are mainly used to allow you to define binary flags. You know binary flags means 1 or 0 or true or false. To mark rows as even or odd, positive or negative. You can see there information, if you select, you can see is even, is odd, sign. So these are the numerical tools available in Power BI. So this is all about, in this video we discussed about numerical tools, different type of modes, storage and connection modes, how can we connect to database, so I can extract data from the web. So I think this video will be very informative for all of you. Thank you.